Oh yeah.
I found a really cool nature trail I want to show you. It leads you down these stairs over to this river or creek, as you can see in the distance. Really cool place to visit in Michigan. Oh, it's leaning to the right a little bit. That's a little, hold on with your hand right here. And here we go, we reached the, I guess, the river. Oh wow, that's moving. Oh, there's a fisher woman. That's so cool. Oh, there's a group right there fishing. Awesome. So pretty. Oh, I could sit here and just listen to the water. The trail is constantly changing to a stone path to a nice in the woods, you know, adventure, or should I say an exploration. But it keeps you along the riverside the whole time, which is really nice. Here's a little secluded spot. You could just sit and listen to the water, until I realized there was a fisherman right there. So this must be a good spot to go fishing too. I've seen quite a few people now. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at him go. Oh, what a good dog. So happy. It's, what is it, 40 some degrees right now?
Yep.
And they're hopping in the water, unfazed. If you come far enough, you'll hit the Cider Mill Loop, or the Holland Ponds, which we just came from. Nice big trail for walking, bringing your dogs, family, and you can see nature and woods the whole time. If you walk far enough on the trail, you'll eventually hit Yates Cider Mill. That's the big red barn right here. Cider and donuts is what they're famous for, rolling into the fall. I don't think they're open right now. We're in the middle of winter, but still, really cool place to visit. It gets very, very busy too. It's a bald eagle. It's so hard to see in the light, but it's flying right over us. There it goes, it's in the trees. Oh, it's going still. Oh, there it is. That was so awesome. So along this trail, we got to see a bald eagle. This is the fun bridge that you saw earlier. Definitely hold on to the railing as you're going across this, because it is very wiggly and not exactly level. And then you have a nice step up from here. While on the trail, I stumbled upon these old steps. Look at these. It says C.K. I think Griggs, Griggs, Griggs. I'll have to find out more about that. C.J. Griggs. I don't know if this was just put here as a joke or if there was actually a home or a little cabin here at one point owned by Griggs. Turns out these steps, known as carriage steps, were actually located at Charles Kelly's Griggs' original home. It's a mystery of how they came here, but here's a little read on what, you know, his history was. Along the trail, I've been seeing these metal posts that stick out, wondering what they are, and here it's a well test. I guess it's for an environmental test to make sure the water's okay over time in the area.